Gonna make a video to show you how to make your laptop not make so much noise. As you can hear, mine's being really loud. So what I do is go to control panel. Then you're gonna find power options right here. Then you're gonna go to change plan setting. You're going to go to show advanced power settings, and you're going to go down to processor power management. So I'll go back, I'll go back just so you can see exactly what I did. Go to change advanced power settings. Here we go, scroll down. Processor power management. Hit the plus. Now this will slow down the computer a little bit. It really only matters if you're playing games. So we're going to go to plus, and then we're going to go to change that to, if you're only scrolling the web, go about 80. If you feel like it's too slow, you can always go back in and go to 90 or back to 100, but your computer will run loud again. Then you hit apply. And I'm just gonna hit apply. I don't know why that hasn't changed yet on the battery one. I'm gonna X that out, go back in and make sure that it worked. Processor power management, and it's gotten quiet already. Yeah, 80 and 80. There you go. That's how you make your laptop not run so loudly. You can go down further if you're really not using it for a lot. If you're watching videos, keep it at 80 to 90. If you're playing games, you might want to keep it right back at 100 and deal with the loud noise. Thanks. Like, subscribe, and share if you could to support my channel.